Yo, 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 yo. Let's talk about trading psychology because a lot of people aren't profitable traders or good traders. I consider myself a good trader. I'm not a profitable trader, meaning when I say profitable, I mean consistently. Like I'm consistently making $100 a day and putting it in my pocket. That's what I think. That's what I think. That's what I consider profitable. Now, I have made a good amount of money from trading and I have lost even more money from trading. But for me, it's not about that. I want to master the skill of trading itself. Some people just want to make, like, for example, some people's passion isn't trading. They just want another source of income so they can use trading for another source of income. So for me, it's not like that. I actually love looking at the charts. Love looking at the charts. Love finding good setups, patterns, everything. The psychology behind trading is that you can't be scared of the markets. You can't be fearful when everybody else is buying and shit. You can't be trying to follow in their footsteps. This one trader told me that you can't chase trades. For example, you cannot chase trades. You cannot chase trades. You have to have a sense of discipline. You have to have a sense of responsibility behind your own actions. You could end up making $1,000 a day. At one point in time, you can end up making $1,000 a day. And I have made $1,000 in one single day. But at that point in time, I wasn't disciplined enough to flip it to even more. I wasn't disciplined enough to continue trading the correct way. You know, when you filled up with emotion, you're so excited or scared, you end up making the wrong decisions. So that's exactly what happened to me. I took out about 800, traded with 200, 250, and blew that instantly. I say that trade lasted about 10 seconds. Blew that whole entire 250. Now, why I did that, when I think back on it, it's like, I don't know why the hell I did that, but I did it. So I realized at this point in time, not at this point in time, but I realized over time that the psychology behind trading is the only reason people can't become traders. People aren't built for this type of lifestyle. Losing money, being broke, going broke investing. I literally go broke investing. I have $10 right now in my bank account because I put all of my money in investments. Now my bills are paid. Like I handle my responsibilities before anything. So my bills paid, everything else just allocated to my investments. But the point is you have to be willing to lose it all. You have to be willing to lose it all. I've lost it all time over and over again. I've lost it all. I've had funded accounts. I blew 13 different accounts. I realize you spend real money on this. You spend your hard earned money that you work for full time on these funded accounts and you end up blowing them. What, maybe a week after you bought it, maybe 2 weeks after you bought it, depending on. But for me, I don't care. I want to become the person I want to become. I can see myself. I've made $1,000 in a single day. I can see myself doing that consistently. And ever since that day, I've been working on consistency, and a strategy, consistency with trading. When I look at trades, Yes, I'm thinking about the money. I'm still a person. I think about the money. However, I remind myself that it's not about the money, it's about the trade. So, for example, if we were, let me give you an example real fast, real fast, real fast. Hold on. All right, right here, right here, right here. This price gapped up the next day, So at 9:30, if we wanted to catch an entry at 9:30, we would have our stop loss just below previous day close. Previous day close, right? And we want our take profit to be at least a 2 to 1. At least a 2 to 1. Now, when I take this off the screen, during this entire day, you was up. The next day, on Wednesday, 9:30, I'm not sure if price either went straight up at open. I'm not sure, but it's just wicks, like the candle is already closed. Either went straight up at open or went straight down. Now, psychologically, you would be in this trade on this day. It came down here during this day. You would think your trade is over. Over. Maybe psychologically, a new beginner trader, you would think this trade is over. Oh, I lost too much money. I'm done. But you need to have discipline. This is why you set a stop loss. So if you have your stop loss down here, right under previous day close, before the day ended, it's still Tuesday, right down here, still Tuesday. Before the day ended, you ended in profit. Now, if psychologically you just going down to somebody else, oh, I'm gonna take out here, I lost too much money. But you ended the day in profit. You never lost any money if you would have set a stop loss and just waited, just been patient, just for a little bit, just for the rest of the day. And then as soon as market open next day, you're green. You put in $100, you made 200. It's next market open, next day, one day. $1,000, you made 1,000. Now, if you could trade this stock like Forex 2 to 1, you put in 100, you made 200. Now with stock options, this went up 5.6%. I'm not entirely sure how to calculate stock options. However, I do know that if I put in $50 here, $50 right here, my break even price, say I get in a 121 call, my break even price would probably be 122.7. So if I put in 50 here, I've made 100 by right here. So that lets you know that if I actually have a 2 to 1 on this, I'll probably make 200, 300 by here, 400, 500 by here, almost 1,000 by here. You know what I'm saying? Like options is a completely different ball game. But psychology, discipline,